Listen. High above, where the sky brushes the earth, the mountains rise like ancient guardians. Their peaks wear crowns of snow, glowing golden when the morning sun awakens. From their hearts, rivers are born. They tumble, they sing, rushing through forests where trees stand tall, roots deep, leaves swaying like dancers in the wind. Birds paint the air with wings of color, and in the quiet moss, even the smallest insect hums a song of belonging. The rivers wander until they find the ocean. Ah, the ocean, vast, endless, breathing in and out like the heartbeat of the earth. Waves rise, waves fall, carrying secrets across the horizon. Beneath the surface lies another world. Corals bloom like gardens, fish dart like sparks of light, turtles glide like ancient travelers, and the great whales sing songs so deep they echo through eternity. Above, the seabirds dive and rise, their wings kissed by the spray of salt. And still, the circle continues. The ocean sends clouds to crown the mountains send rivers to feed the seas. Stone and water, feather and fin, all connected. Nature is a dance with no beginning and no end.